Alright, here we go. This be Gamba. Make sure you subscribe. Clean Maximum. We've been connected on YouTube and Instagram. Like, we got to link up, so finally came to a meet on his side of town. Make sure you subscribe. What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today we are at a night meet. I'm not exactly sure what this meet is, honestly. I'll put it in the title, of course. But yeah, let's take a look and see who's here and what's here. Alright, so here we go. We got some people rolling in now. Sheesh. Right. A proper Nismo? Like, it look real wide. Got the 370 front. Oh no. That's clean. Caught my eye as soon as we pulled in. Got them Vossens on it too. You saw that that 370 pull up next to me? Did he say anything to you? I have no idea what he was saying to me. His car was so loud. Like, yeah. Had to turn the music down and everything. Couldn't hear him. Yeah.
Even if I don't take them off.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Another set of Awesomes. Man, I wanted them so bad. Seen this one on Instagram. And at the other meet the other night. Right. That's the next stage.
That shit looking good as hell.
That deep dish.
What's these called? You know what them called?
Infinity's killing it.
Somebody coming through dumping. That's how I'm supposed to sound.
Still hear it?
Still. Somebody dumping, bro.
Big time. It's a pretty chill spot. This caught my eye too coming in. Got the flag on it. So clean.
What the hell?
That's clean. I recently started wanting one. The Ultima's back. Sheesh.
They're real concave.
I would get that all around. Now this is clean. Look at that wheel.
Is this the same car that the blue
I don't think so. It's dope to be able to record the audio at a meet. Ain't got to worry about cutting the music and all that. I can't wait to see how this looks with this new lens. A night meet.
They're trying to intercut for real.
R32. Possible GTR.
I like the roof ramp too.
Right. I wonder if he got a 2J or 1J in it. What's up?
But I was playing at one home. Then I went at another. So I couldn't play it in the Bradford.
There you go. Air it out. What up? Looking good. Missed the air out fully, but you know. Made a new homie too. His system was crazy. Y'all all together? That's what's up. Yo, definitely make sure you subscribe. This is whole squad. What are you trying to do? Sheesh. Clean. Definitely make sure you subscribe. Link will be in the description below. The meet's been going on for about 2 hours. We got a bunch more people showing up. Alright, so we moved over here.